Printing from a USB flash drive on your OneTouch Spark. Your OneTouch Spark has a USB port located on the right side above the display panel. It will read PDFs or JPEGs from your USB drive. Insert your USB flash drive into the port. The drive will be scanned and will show a list of the files and folders on the flash drive. Using the touchscreen, scroll and select your file. Click Settings to change the print quality, the type of document. You also have a couple of important features like your enlarge or reduce or rotate. Make sure it says fit to paper on the enlarge reduce, and you can use the rotation, either 0 or 90, to either get a larger poster or a smaller poster just by rotating it on the paper. If you did not see the scale to fit feature selected in the enlarge or reduce where it says fit the paper, if you did not see that, you can select it and make your change here. Once everything's done, click apply and then start to print.